my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are here with the great and only Leila.
Hi guys!
We did a face reveal.
We are doing a fidget video, so we're going to show our fidgets. But so you know, I'm not really going to show all of my fidgets. I'm just going to show 2 of them. I'm sorry about that. It's just, you know, because my mom, it's really late and I'm supposed to go to bed right now. We're going to make this video quick. So, I'm just going to show 2 and then, you know, Phoenix will show the rest. Okay, so first I'll show you mine. So
okay.
I got this, this yellow pop tube. I have more of these. I like 3 of them. And last but not least, this one. This Among Us Puppet. And it may not look giant on the screen, but it's really giant.
Yeah, I've seen it before. Well, guys, now I'm going to show you my fidgets. So basically, I have this dolphin puppet. It's super cute.
Oh, did Emmy give you that?
Yeah. We traded.
Oh, cool.
We should have made a real trading video. That would be nice. Oh, guys, I think we're gonna make a real trading video if Emmy comes over sometime. Because I'm trying to trade this simple dimple.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another thing I have. I love this puppet. It's so satisfying. Hear the noise.
Just so you guys know, me and Phoenix might meet again, and for sure I'll bring probably my puppets and fidgets, and we can do trading.
Yep. And I have 2 wacky tracks.
Oh, I have those too.
Oh yeah,
I
they're
like
so
3
pretty.
of them.
My favorite's the green and blue.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Both are super nice, and Emmy made this slime for me. Slime is a fidget.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
The slime is beautiful.
Also, if anybody that makes fidgets or this, please send Phoenix a fidget box.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Because we love making fidget videos for everyone, and of course me and Emily and her, we are obsessed with fidgets. So please send us a box of fidgets.
And guys, you know what? You guys can actually get this fidget only if you subscribe and like this video. And 3, 2, 1.
If you click that subscribe button, we'll check, and you get that fidget.
Yep, I will find a way to get it to your house.
Yes, we need your address.
Now we're doing giveaways.
Yes, giveaways. I was going to say we can do an iPhone giveaway.
Oh, I don't have an iPhone. I wish I did.
Yeah, me too. We can do. You know, I know, people do iPhone giveaways, but guys, this is not the YouTube channel you think. Yeah, so we would have done that, but yeah. Well, maybe we'll do that soon, okay?
Guys, no one's rich in life. Some people might be rich, but if people are mean to you, just stand up for yourself. Don't be mean back. Just say, I'm not gonna put up with that, and just walk away, okay?
Yes.
That's the best thing you can do.
Back to you.
Okay, so we have there's slime on me. That I don't know why I played with that slime, but anyway, I have this needle, a pink needle turns to a blue needle. Pink needle turns to purple.
Green to purple.
Oh.
Green to purple.
Oh! I just realized something I could do. What? Wait. Come here.
Also, you guys, I don't know if you checked it out, but I love this video. Phoenix is cleaning out her fidget drawer, so I want you to go check that out. Check all the fidget videos.
Guys, I'm going to do it the green to purple, but instead I'm going to go purple to green. Purple. purple to green. Guys, it turns green to purple.
Oh, you should squeeze it, and then say purple.
Green to purple.
Green to purple.
Oh, guys, I'm actually giving away more fidgets, but never mind. Actually, sorry. But I made this for Emily, but I don't think she wants it. I don't know. We'll just keep it here. But I also have a pressure. I have 2 of these. And I also have an Orbeez stress ball.
Oh my god, I love Orbeez stress ball. But I bought one from Hobby Lobby, but it broke.
Aw. And I also have this nice poppet. Hear the noise. Nice noise. And I also have this mini yellow pop tube. This looks super pretty.
You guys, just so you know, we might have to do a part 2, and we'll do it tomorrow, not tonight.
Yeah. Ooh, that sounds so different.
Oh, you have like the mini one.
Yeah, look.
I'm gonna trade with you for that.
Okay, so now I have this snapper.
Ooh, I love snappers. I never had one before, but they look cool.
And I also have this blue NATO. This is like my favorite fidget, but my favorite
Blue
fidget
to purple.
is my first poppet.
Your first poppet? Wow, that's nice. I like that.
It was my first fidget too.
My first poppet was a circle one, and I was like tie-dye. I love it.
Alright. And I also have this dimple spinner.
That's a spinner? How do you even spin it? How do you use it?
Look, he go like this, look.
Okay.
Look, it goes like this.
Oh, that's cool. I never seen one of those.
And it
I always
pops
wanted
great.
them. I want to trade with you for that.
You can offer, but I don't think I'm gonna accept it.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know if you are gonna accept it.
And I also have a mini poppet, so cute. It's an octopus that goes like this.
Oh, I have a black one.
Oh, that's nice.
I saw it in the video and I was like, oh my god, I like that. I would trade for that one, but like the ones for my uncle, I don't like to trade.
Oh, that was from your uncle?
Yeah, you know.
Well, Emily is actually calling me, so I'm gonna, well, guys, I'm gonna make a video with her to show you guys her fidgets, because I already gonna show you guys my fidgets, and I have all of these other kind of fidgets, and I'm gonna show you this
I'm
horse.
gonna add her to the call. Here, I'll add her to the call.
Yeah, and I also have this fidget. I love it so much. This is my favorite of favorites fidget. And I also have this big pop tube.
I'm adding her.
That's not her number.
Wait, no.
Guys, this is the best puppet ever. Okay. And I also have this Trimple Dimple. And I also...
That's actually... Jordan, can you actually add her for me? Because I did her home.
Well, I don't think I can add her, but I'm just going to finish all my fidgets, then you're going to see her fidgets. So I also have this red mini pop tube, and I also have all kind of different fidgets. So many fidgets. I have lots of poppets.
Excuse me, ma'am. You just throwed all of them at my face.
Sorry. And I also have infinity cubes and...
Oh, I have 2 of those.
Oh, you know. And I also have, like, a lot of fidgets. I have 40 fidgets.
40?
Yeah, 40 fidgets. Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
I have so much. I have so much. Well,
I might
hope you
have
like
40
this-
fidgets, too.
Yeah. And I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Bye, guys. This is the best puppet ever. Bye.